Back to my channel. My name is Ruby from My Vida Style. If you're not already following, make sure to follow me. All my social media handles are at My Vida Style. Make sure to follow me and click that red subscribe button to see more videos coming up. Today's video, I am doing a Boxycharm unboxing for November. If you guys don't know what Boxycharm is, it is basically a monthly subscription beauty box that you get every single month, and you get a variety of goodies, from eyeshadow palettes to brushes to skincare, a little bit of everything, and they are all full sizes. So I'm excited to show you guys November's box. The theme of this Boxycharm box is goal diggers, and if you guys don't already know, I am very goal oriented. I have a lot of goals in mind, a lot of ideas always coming in. So this box is very cute. If it's featured 5 other girls, Boxycharm workers, employees that work there. So it's pretty nice to see like a face to employees that work at the Boxycharm headquarters in Miami. So theme for this month is goal digger. We're gonna get started with the first product, which is Cover Fix glitter drops in the color Nova, and this let alone is valued at $44. And like I said earlier, the Boxycharm I pay every month $21, so I'm already getting my bang for my buck by just getting this product alone. I know I'm going to use it in the future, especially for like New Year celebrations and when you're showing a little bit off the shoulder shirts. Slaying with that glitter. Yes. Alright, for the next product that I'm excited, because every time there's a new eyeshadow palette in the Boxycharm, I was like, yes. And the colors are super beautiful. The packaging is really beautiful. So this palette is called the Ace Beauté, and it is a cruelty-free makeup brand based off in Texas. And then this is the Grandiose palette featuring 8 colors to make every eye look stunning. The packaging overall, it is gorgeous. I really love like the small little detail. I really like the outside packaging. So the colors within themselves, girl, these colors, doesn't have a mirror, which kind of sucks, but I mean overall, like these colors, oh my goodness, these colors are super pigmented. I am wearing 3 right now. I'm wearing, I can't even pronounce the names. I'm wearing this one, this cinnamon, and then jasmine. So I'm wearing 3 different colors. I know these colors are going to come in clutch, using them over the in the fall and in the winter. A lot of reds, and reds is still popular, so I feel like a lot of warm tones like these colors will be good to keep on wearing for the winter and the fall. So these are really beautiful. I really like this palette. This palette, let alone, costs $24.99. So like I said, you are already getting your bang for your buck. The next item is Luxie brushes. So they come in this cute little package. According to the theme, well, some of them are dirty, but they have glitter as well. So as you guys could tell, I already used 2 of them. That's why they're dirty. But overall, these are very cute, handy brushes. These, let alone, is the Luminous Eye Set, specifically for the eyes, and it costs $21. So more bang for your buck. Next item that came with that is, continuing with the glitter theme, is this eyeliner, Glittering Star eyeliner. The eyeliner itself it has very cute packaging, don't get me wrong. It has hearts and it has glitter, and then also the pencil, it has glitter, guys. This eyeliner has glitter, so I'm excited because this is a glittery eyeliner, and I've already used it on my hand, kind of swatch it, and it looks very beautiful. Because I do the line here, I didn't particularly want to put eyeliner there because I do wear contacts and I don't want any glitter up in my contact. So I feel like I would use this like up here, but other than that, it's a very beautiful eyeliner. It's very long lasting and intense, that's what it's saying, but I haven't tried it yet. But overall, this eyeliner was $5, so I mean, eyeliner for $5, why not? And last but not least, this is the last item for the Boxycharm November box. So this is lashes from Lashaholic. They're luxury lashes. These lashes are really beautiful. I like how it's with the theme of glitter, so I purposely didn't put these on today because I don't want to wear eyelashes, and I'm still struggling to put eyelashes on. So maybe in the future I will add these to my eyelash collection, which one day I will use. But overall, the total of this box, let's bring out my calculator because
the cover flare drops were $44. $44 plus the 24. I messed up. 44 plus.
You guys ready to see how much this Boxycharm? Total for November's Boxycharm, the total is $109.98. So for all of the products that I just said, I literally just paid $21 and got 5 full-size products for $21, when in total each of these products costs $109.98. So your bang for your buck. If you haven't tried a Boxycharm, I highly recommend it. I am not getting paid for saying this, but I'm just saying, if you already make those trips to Ulta, Sephora, and you always like waste more money than you need to, this is a good way to avoid going to Sephora or Ulta or any of those stores, because you get every month you get a new product. And definitely things that you're going to be using. And it's not like, oh, I'm not buying brushes, or I'm not buying eyeliner, or I'm not buying my eyeshadow palette or lipstick. These are products that you will be using, and they're all full size. And if you don't want them, you could always regift them, especially because we're going into the holidays. This is a perfect opportunity to regift gifts, maybe like an eyelash. These eyelashes cost $21, and I don't know anybody who would not want these. So this is a perfect opportunity to try out Boxycharm if you haven't. And if you're already a Boxycharm subscriber, let me know what you got this month for your Boxycharm favorites, because I know we all get different products. Other than that, hope you guys have a wonderful day. I will talk to you all later. Have a good one. See you in the next video.